Hey guys, sorry, it is the 8th of December. So, which lock should we try? Just take that one. That's a FE, whatever that is. Before we pick that, I just cleaned a little bit on the side here. I knew I had a challenge lock and I found this one. And it's this, and it's from Harry Bow. I have to try this at some point. Haven't gone around to that yet. I just realized I had a Harry Bow and I'm not sure how comfortable I am trying to pick that one, but I have to try it. So we'll see. Right now, we are concerning this lock. Okay. I would think that we can bypass. By the way, the shackle is broken. I can't, oh well, not the shackle. The locking pawl is broken. I can't push the shackle in there. It's stuck. But where's my tensioner? The keyway doesn't seem to be broken, so I guess we can still pick it. Okay, there we have it. And I would hope that this is a relatively easy pick. I'll try to reset because while I slide it in underneath a stock pin, I think I might have overset it. So trying to reset while in here might work. Look what I found in there. A lot of gunk. Let's dry that off. There we go. In 3, I think. Either 3 or 4. Sometimes a little hard to tell in these cheaper Chinese locks. As you can see, that's the locking pawl. Yeah, my camera just shut off again. Don't know what is wrong with it. But yeah, broken locking pawl. But we got it open. I still have the tensioner, so let's let go on that. Okay, lock it up. Get this on the tree. All right. Whee! Last spot on the top. There. That's better. Hey, hold the camera still there. That's the first 8 locks. So far, so good. All right. Anyway, hope you will join again tomorrow. Also, remember to check out the comment section if you want one of the special stickers. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.